Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add captions to your TikTok videos. So we're going to press the plus button right at the bottom. You guys are going to see my ugly face, but I'm going to upload something. So I'm going to click on upload on the bottom right. And now I'm going to find the video I want to add. So let's add this one right here. Click next. And now on the bottom right, we have captions. And we click on captions, and now it's going to auto-generate the captions for us. And that's how you do it. And so now if you want to edit some of the captions, you can press on the pencil, and now you can go one by one, and you can change these captions as you'd like. Click save, go maybe edit what kind of style. I like this one. Click maybe a different color that you want. Click save, and then click save at the top right again. And now it's ready for posting. You just click next and you post. And that's how you add captions on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.